Welcome class 11th. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is decile and percentile. In the previous class we have studied about the quartile for the calculation part of individual series, discrete series and the continuous series. Today we will discuss about the decile and percentile. As you know, decile is a series which divides the whole values into 10 equal parts, while percentile is a series which divides the whole value into 100 equal parts. Okay, now come to the formula part for calculating decile and percentile. So for any individual series and discrete series, that is the calculation of decile and percentile in individual and discrete series, let us discuss the formula part. For suppose that d1, the formula would be n plus 1 upon 10, because decile divides the whole series into 10 equal parts. Just like d5, yes, it can also be calculated like this, 5 into n plus 1 upon 10. Up to d9, it would be calculated, d10 would not be calculated. Okay, so n plus 1, 9 into n plus 1 upon 10. In this way deciles can be calculated. With the same pattern, percentile, so for P1 it would be n plus 1 upon 100. Suppose I want to calculate P25, then it would be 25 into n plus 1 upon 100 for individual and discrete series. Up to P99 it can be calculated, so 99 into n plus 1 upon 100. To understand in a more detailed manner, we will take a example of individual series. Here I am having example calculation of the decile and percentile. We have to calculate D5 and P25 from the following series. I have taken 11 values, that is 21, 15, 40, 30, 26, 45, 50, 54, 60, 65 and 70. So first of all, these values can be arranged in ascending order. Okay, hereupon we have taken I have taken the example and I have arranged the same in the ascending order. So I will see that there are 11 values, 3, it is 4, it is 5, it is 6, it is 7, it is 8, it is 9 and it is 10 and last is 11. So how will we calculate decile and percentile, sir? Suppose I want to calculate decile D5, so this formula would be used. I want to calculate P25, then this formula would be used. Let us see what would be the answer. So for D5 is equal to n plus 1 upon 10. It means 5 into, it is 5 into n is the 11. टोटल नंबर कितने हैं हमारे पास? 11 हैं, तो हम 11 plus 1 upon 10. It is 12 into 5, 60 upon 10, that is 6th वैल्यू. तो यहाँ से हम सीरियल नंबर में 6th वैल्यू पे चलेंगे. 6th वैल्यू के सामने जो वैल्यू है वो है 45, यानी 45 क्या है हमारा? D5 होगा. ऐसे ही P25 कैलकुलेट करेंगे. P25 इज इक्वल टू 25 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई n प्लस 1 अपॉन 100, that is 25 into n 11 plus 1 upon 100. It means it would be 12 into 25, 300 upon 100, that is 3. Third value, so third value is 1, 2 and 3. Third value is 26. Third value is 26. So 26 is the P25. In this way we can be able to calculate the decile and percentile using the various formulas. These are only the formula for calculating decile and percentile in individual and discrete series. I hope you all have understood the individual and discrete series. Now come to the next part of the percentile and decile, that is calculation of percentile and decile in grouped series, in continuous series. What we have to do? Hereupon we have a question. Okay, calculation of decile and percentile in group series, or continuous series. continuous series. Two things we have to do. First of all, we have to calculate the model class, we have to calculate the class interval value, and for this we have to calculate d1 is equal to n upon 10, n upon 10th value. It will give you d1 class interval, d5 that is 5 into n upon 10 value. For d9 it is 9 into n upon 10. After that we have to use the next formula for calculating d5, d1 and d9. What is the formula? Formula is d1 is equal to L1 plus n upon 10 minus cumulative frequency upon frequency into I. For d5, L1 plus 5n upon 10 minus Cf upon F into I. And for d9, L1 plus 9n upon 10 minus Cf upon F into I. This is the way, or this is the formula through which we can calculate decile in group series. So what we have to do, first we have to calculate the class interval value from using this formula. After that we have to use this formula for calculating the exact location of the first decile, fifth decile and the ninth decile. Let us come to the next part for percentile also. We will calculate like this. For percentile, for P1, P12 or P95. Let us suppose there are three percentile values, P1, P12 and P95. What would be the formula? So first we have to calculate the class interval value. For P1 it is n upon 100th value. Then after P12 is equal to 12 into n upon 100, and P95 is equal to 95 n upon 100. After calculating the class intervals value, we have to use the next formula to calculate the exact location of P1, P12 and P95. So for next value, or for next formula would be L1 plus, it would be n upon 100 minus Cf upon F into I. For P12 it is L1 plus 12n upon 100 minus Cf upon F into I. For P95 it would be L1 plus 95n upon 100 minus Cf upon F into I. So this is the formula through which we can calculate the percentile values. Now let us take an example, then after we will be able to understand these various formulas. Hereupon I am having a question of a group series, okay, particularly given with a class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay, this is the class interval. Frequency is also given like 22, 38, 46, 35 and 90. We have to prepare a cumulative frequency table. So 22 and 60, 106, 150. Suppose we have to calculate D5 and P39. Okay, so for D5 we have to calculate the class interval value. It is 5n upon 10, n upon 10, and for P39 it would be 39 n upon 100. So 5 into 150 upon 10, 750 upon 10, it would be 75th value. 39 150 upon 100 is equal to 39 into 15, it would be 585 upon 100. It means 58.50. It is the value. Okay, so we have to check the same value in the cumulative frequency table, that where it is going to exist. So 75 would be existing in this one. So the class interval, in this class interval it is existing, and your D5 will be coming in between 20 and 30 class interval. With the same pattern, the P95 is 58.60. It means it will be coming in this class interval. So using this value, we can easily calculate the P39. So first of all, let us calculate D5. So for D5, the L1 would be 20, and just now we have calculated the 5n upon 10 value. It means it is 75 minus cumulative frequency. It would be just precedent value. It is 60 upon frequency 46 into 10. 10 is the class size, which is 10. So 20 plus, first of all we have to solve this one. It would be 15 into 10, 150 upon 46. It would be approximately 4.25. So 24.25 is the D5 value. Now come to the next part, that is P39. So P39 is equal to, you know that we have just now calculated 58.50 as the class interval value. So इसको हम चेक करेंगे, क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल में एग्जिस्ट करेगा इस वाले वैल्यू में, यानी कि इसका जो क्लास इंटरवल का जो L1 होगा वो 10 होगा, और ये होगा 58.50 माइनस CF हो जाएगा 22 अपॉन फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी 38 इंटू 10. ये हो जाएगा 10 प्लस ये हो जाएगा आपका 8 एंड 28, then after 36.50 into 10 upon 38, approximately 365 upon 38. 10 plus 365.38, it will be approximately 9. So the P39 value is 19, and D5 is, we have just now calculated 24.25. So in this way we can easily calculate the percentile and decile in all the series, like the individual series, discrete series, and the group series. I hope you have understood. We will meet you very soon. Thank you.